Hello, 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 everybody. Happy Canada Day. Today is July 1st, and we are celebrating Canada Day today. So I wanted to just give you a big shout out and a shout out to all Canadians who are proud of our country. I know it's not perfect, and some people don't agree that it's the best country, but hey, nobody is going to agree that their own country is the best country all the time. So happy Canada Day for those of you that will celebrate. Now, I also want to tell you a little bit about what I've been doing. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda G. Robert. I'm your Back in the Groove Again coach, helping you live your best life right now so you can love what you do. I want to give you an update. I want to tell you what I've been working on. You know, I shared in other videos that I wanted to write a book. Well, I actually started writing the book, and some of you may have already heard some of the videos, which are going to be part of my book. You know, and I'm really busy with teaching, and I do a bit of coaching as well. And I don't have a lot of time to write, but today I started focusing on the book, and I started thinking about why I want to write this book. So if you are an inspirational writer, if you want to write something, think about why you want to write it. These are the reasons why I want to write it. I want to write it in part to validate my life, you know, my experiences and what I've learned. But really, the main goal is to inspire you, especially if you are a woman over 40 and you want to live your best life now. I also want to share my story with you, whoever you are out there that may be struggling with being your own person. You know, I don't want you and another woman like me to suffer like I did. Although I know that suffering is really part of life, and we do need to do a bit of suffering to learn from those experiences. But I'm really hoping that my book will inspire you and will encourage you to consider a different way of being so that you can love your life more. You know, we all have things to say, we all have stories to share, and I'm not alone on that. I know that. And so I've been sharing some of my stories and some of my insights through videos, through audio formats, using my podcast. And now I want to share my ideas through a written format. And I know that I'm writing this book because there are actually women out there, individuals out there that are struggling with some issues. Perhaps you're struggling with some issues, and after you've read my book, the one that I'll be writing about, you'll find some parts of that do encourage you, that do help you to consider, you know, doing things a little bit different. You know, we all have a spiritual being inside of us, and we all strive to be loved and to love and to live a more truthful and authentic life. And as we get older, yes, we do have experiences that allow us to learn more and to develop insights. And my book is part of that. It's part of what you can do to achieve that self-actualization, to become the best expression of yourself. So that's part of the reasons why I am writing this book. You know, I have children, I have grandchildren, and I want them to also know who I am and who I was. Even after I've left this earth, I realize, of course, as I get older, that I will die one day. My father is 91 and he's currently in the hospital. And no, he's not dying, but he's not doing well. But it's really made me realize that we are on this earth for a very short time. We might as well take advantage of that time and live our best lives now. And in part, that's why I'm writing this book. I want to inspire you to be the best person that you can be. And if you are a woman over 40 and that you've struggled, perhaps you've struggled with relationships like I have, perhaps you have struggled with alcohol or with drugs, and you are looking for inspiration, my book will will provide you some of that. It's also going to be providing you with some of the strategies that I've used over the last few years to finally help me become the woman that I am today. I think living our life is essential. We need to live our lives and we need to be open to learn our lessons. But there's always something to learn. And I think if we think we've learned everything, we are really wrong. I am 64 right now, and I'm always learning. And so this book will be, when I do publish it, it will be what I've learned until that period of time. And I know that I'll continue to put out videos and to share my insights, whether it's insights on how to be your best self, or insights on how to love yourself more in your 50s and beyond, how to find a person that you love in your life. Whatever it is, we are constantly learning, and we also need to be constantly open to learning from other people as well. So this is Linda G. Robert. You're back in the groove again, coach, helping you live your best life now. And if you don't hear from me, it's because I'm busy. I'm busy either teaching, coaching, or writing this book. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.